want you to do a problem on pH in which the pH is given and you find the concentration. In the previous video, I told you were given concentration and you were asked to find the pH. If it is monoprotic acid, 1 mole of acid gives 1 mole of H3O+. If it is diprotic acid, 1 mole of acid gives 2 moles of H3O+. So we must take the concentration of the acid and multiply by 2 before you substitute in the formula of pH. But now pH is given. How are you going to find out the concentration of the sulfuric acid, which is the opposite process that we have to do? So for that, if the pH is given, only apply the formula negative log of H3O+. So in the place of pH, you substitute 1,6 minus log of H3O+. Now take the minus sign to this side. Minus 1,6 is equal to log of H3O+. Can you please take the calculator? How are we going to do this one? Benjamin, come and do this one. Shift log minus 1,6. Shift log minus 1,6. Minus 1,6. So if you want to get rid of the log, what? Okay, we are going to do, yeah, that's what it will do. It will do 10 to the power. The moment you said shift log, it will do that. Shift log, then you put the sign minus 1.6. Close it. It will give you the answer. What is the answer that you get?
0.
The answer is concentration of H3O+. What is that? 0,005 mole per decimeter.
0,025.
025. Okay, this is the one that you get. Please learn to do this operation in your calculator. You must press shift log minus 1,6. You can even put minus 1,6 inside the bracket. Then you will get the press equal to, you will get the answer for the H3O+. But that is not the concentration of sulfuric acid. Now we have to write the ionization equation for sulfuric acid. I saw some of you ignoring some of the positive signs on the top of the H3O+. Please, there is a positive sign. If you forget any positive or negative sign, you will lose marks. So we have to write the equation with care. We can't just write anything. This calculation is important, but the equation is the one that makes you to follow this procedure. Now, we don't know the left hand side, but we know the right hand side. What is the right hand side? 0,025 mole per decimeter cube. But what is the mole ratio here? If this is 1, this is 2. So your 2 is equal to 0,025. So if you want concentration of sulfuric acid, what are you supposed to do? Take concentration of H3O+ and then you divide by 2, which is equal to 0,025 divided by 2, which is equal to 0,0125 mole per decimeter. Thank you.